guys, Dutch here with March's Sephora Play versus Ipsy. Let's see what we've got this month. If you don't know, we'll start out with Ipsy. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription service for makeup and makeup related products like tools, brushes, stuff like that. It's only $10 a month, and that includes tax and shipping and everything. $10 a month. I have been a subscriber for almost 2 years now, and I love it. I really never buy makeup anymore because of it. All right, and every month they send you a makeup bag. This is this month's makeup bag. It's like people's faces. I don't know, a little pink accent to it. All right, let's open up. That's Juliet. Juliet loves it when I open up any kind of packages. All right, so Ipsy. All right, first we've got a brush. This is a nice looking brush. I can take it out. It's like in double package. Juliet wants the brush. It is. It's got a protective. Look at that. Well, that's cool. Very soft. I love brushes. I love brushes. All right, so we got a brush. Let's see what else we have. The card that comes with it. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe. Blah, blah, blah. Just interesting little ideas that they give you. All right, let's see what else is in here. Let's see what this is. Lash Alert Mascara. Wake up and go. This is weird. It's in like a squishy tube. I've never seen mascara in a squishy tube. But yet it is. Oh, it's got the curved brush, which is nice. But it's in a squishy tube. I've never seen that before. All right, there's that. Juliet thinks there's toys. Oh, here's some markers to color your bag with. I kind of like it black and white. I think I'll leave that alone. All right, let's see what else we've got in here. Solution Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. Zinc Oxide Sulfur Camphor. So it's just a cleansing mask. Focus. All right, so there's that. Let's see what it smells like. It smells okay. I mean, it's not like a fruity. It's almost just like a regular, I don't want to say medicine-y, but a little medicine-y smell. All right. Sephora Triple Action Exfoliator. I love exfoliators. Apply a thick layer to clean, damp skin all over face. Leave on skin for up to 5 minutes. See how you smell. It smells clean. Better than the other stuff. It doesn't have like much of a smell at all. I'm sure once I get it on my face, I'll be able to smell it better. But it's also allergy season here in Arizona. I'm allergic to orange blossoms, and the wind has been going crazy. So my smell isn't the best right now. All right, let's see what this is. Steve Laurent. It's basically, I don't know, there's ingredients. I'm guessing it's a lip gloss. I can get the tube out. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Oh, it says orchid. I don't know. Oh, it's lip gloss. Very barely tinted lip gloss. Ooh, I like that. This is the kind of colors I like. Very like clear or like nude shades. And that is Ipsy's bag for this month. You've got your mask. You've got some facial detox thing. Got your lip gloss. Got your weird squishy tube mascara. The markers to color, and the cool brush. All right, that is Ipsy's bag. Now let's see what we're getting in Sephora. So last month, Ipsy beat out Sephora. Ipsy tends to beat out Sephora, but I keep giving it shots. So let's see what is in Sephora Play. All right, you always get your card, your extra 50 play points, and everything that is in here. So, here is the bag. It says, "Beauty is my spirit animal." It's a cute bag. It's a lot lighter than the other ones. Very, very thin material. All right, so let's see here. Sephora eye pencil, 12-hour wear. This is a very tiny sample. But I mean, that's that. If you look at Ipsy, always sends like full-size eyeliners and eye pencils. That's a very, very small one. All right, and Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum. Focus. Invisible SPF Primer and Anti-Aging Treatment all in one. Anti-aging, I need that. I turn 40 soon. I need as much anti-aging as I can get. All right. Let's see. I swear, if they sent me, like, it is another cream lip stain. Where'd my scissors go? This is another, like, really red shade like they sent me last month. I may cancel my Sephora because I hate red. Oh, okay. They made it a little better this time. It's purple. But it probably isn't going to come out that dark. That's actually a pretty shade. I hope it doesn't come out the very dark. Though the picture on the model shows that it's pretty dark. But if I put a little, I don't know, I might play with it. See what happens. That's better than the bright red that they sent me last month. Alright. Verb Ghost Oil. No idea what Ghost Style is. Smoothing. Blend. Oh, it's hair oil. Hair oil. Because, you know, one wants oily hair. And super tiny writing. So we'll have to figure that one out. Let's see. I got two more things in here. Anti-frizz hair sheet. I'm sorry, but like when you're naturally curly, wavy, whatever you want to call this, this does not work. I've tried these sheets before. I've tried different brands. Not this brand, but I've tried different brands. Does not work. Anti-frizz, maybe if you have straight hair, and it might work. Curly hair, does not work. Last but not least, Age Prevention Cleanser. Youth to the People, Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins. Alright, we eat it, we drink it, let's wash with it. That's what it says on the box. It's just a soap. It smells really good, actually. It smells, I wonder if I can eat this stuff. Alright, so Sephora Play. Here's the bag. Here is some kale face wash, some hair oil, some more primer and anti-aging, you know, for us that have almost 40-year-old skin. You've got the purple lip stain, the anti-frizz stuff, and it's only one sheet that they sent. One sheet. Does not work, so don't like that. And the tiny little itty bitty mini eyeliner pencil. So here is Sephora Plays loot for this month. I think Ipsy once again won out over Sephora Play. I don't know how much longer I'm going to give Sephora Play a shot because the past few months have been very disappointing. Yeah, so let's put it all together so you can see them side by side. Okay, so we've got Sephora, and you've got Ipsy. So Juliet wants them both. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, please leave me a message or a comment. Which one do you guys like the best? If you subscribe to either one, let me know what you got in your box that might be different than what I got in mine, because both subscriptions are completely customizable. Though I think Ipsy is definitely more customizable than Sephora. But if you guys, like I said, have any questions, if you guys have any ideas for other subscription boxes that you would like to see me review, let me know. Leave me a comment, and I will see you later. Bye.